Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want visitors to contact you, request a quote or send messages directly from your website, adding a contact from form in GoDaddy Websites Builder is simple and built in for 2026. Most problems come from adding the form to the wrong page, not setting the email recipient, or forgetting to publish. We will avoid all of that. Okay, so in the step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add a contacts form in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open your website's editor. So log into to your GoDaddy account. Okay, go to websites, after that websites and marketing. So I will show you how now. So tap website, edit website here. You must be inside the editor to add or edit forms. Okay, so now you can add a contact form on contact page, home page, any other page. So make sure the correct page is selected before adding anything. Okay, so add the contact form section. So click add section. Okay, so we should have it in the options here. Choose contact, select contact form, add it to the page. GoDaddy forms are section based and pre-built. Okay, so click on the form to edit it. You can change field labels or reorder fields. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.